Welcome, everyone, to this comprehensive video on how to start a keto diet. In the next 4 to 5 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know to embark on a successful ketogenic journey. The keto diet, short for the ketogenic diet, involves consuming low-carbohydrate, high-fat foods to put your body into a state of ketosis. This metabolic state encourages the body to burn stored fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the key principles, strategies, and tips to begin your keto diet confidently. So let's get started on this transformative journey. But wait! Before we dive right in, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to become part of this amazing family. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the keto diet. Before diving into the specifics, let's understand the basics of the keto diet. The primary goal is to limit your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats. By doing so, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it becomes highly efficient at burning fat for fuel. The general rule is to consume 20 to 50 grams of carbs per day to maintain ketosis. This low-carb, high-fat approach has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved energy levels, and better mental focus. 2. Assessing your goals and health. Before starting any diet, it's essential to assess your goals and consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health situation, current medications, and individual needs. It's particularly crucial if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. 3. Clearing your pantry and shopping smart. Let's start by clearing your pantry of high-carb temptations. Remove processed foods, sugary snacks, bread, pasta, rice, and sugary beverages. Instead, stock your pantry with keto-friendly alternatives such as healthy fats like avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Fill your fridge with protein sources like eggs, fish, poultry, and high-quality meats. Don't forget low-carb vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and peppers. And opt for dairy and dairy alternatives such as cheese, heavy cream, almond milk, and coconut milk. 4. Structuring your meals. Planning your meals is crucial to stay on track with the keto diet. Start by designing a meal plan for the week. Focus on incorporating healthy fats, protein sources, low-carb vegetables, and moderate portions of low-sugar fruits. Aim for 70 to 75% of calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Be creative with your recipes and experiment with new flavors and cooking techniques to keep things interesting. Note: before we continue, please don't forget to check the description below because I will leave a link that will lead you to a ketogenic plan that will help lose weight in 30 days and be healthy. Now let's continue. 5. Hydration and electrolytes. Staying hydrated is vital on the keto diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's functions. Additionally, the keto diet can cause an increased excretion of electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. To replenish them, incorporate foods rich in electrolytes such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and avocados. You may also consider using electrolyte supplements. 6. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress is essential for success. Keep a food diary or use mobile apps to track your macronutrient intake accurately. Regularly monitor your weight, take measurements, and track any changes in your energy levels and overall well-being. This will help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments along the way. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our crash course on starting a keto diet. By understanding the basics, meal planning, stocking your pantry, meal prepping, staying hydrated, monitoring your progress, and staying consistent, you're well on your way to achieving your health and wellness goals with the keto diet. Remember to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Best of luck on your keto journey. Thanks for watching, but make sure that you subscribe and also hit the non-fiction bell as well. See you next time.